Hey, gonna do a quick review on Scotch Brite Extreme Scrub Sponge. 4 times the scrubbing power. Okay, I got this from Pinch Me. If you don't know what Pinch Me is, they send you out free products in the mail. All they do is ask you to review on the product within 30 days of receiving it. Yeah, but you don't have to do a video review like I'm doing right now. They got a form that you fill out on the website on the products samples you get. They send out products third Tuesday of the month, samples. And then also every week you can fill out the surveys and get free samples for doing surveys. How many samples you get when doing the surveys depends on how many surveys you fill out. And they also, whoever does the most surveys gets a $500 gift card, cash card. And whoever does second most gets a $251. And they also are drawing for different things also for people who do the surveys. I got this for free from them. Okay, it says resists bacterial odors. Get 1 per package. This is obvious not a sample, it's a full-size product that they sent me. Alright, I've been using it. We've been using it here around the house the last few weeks. I think I got this about 3 or 4 weeks ago. Been using it on cleaning the kitchen and pots and pans, stove, oven, pretty much everything here in the kitchen. It's a pretty good little product. It's got nice kind of curved where you put your hand where to fit inside your palm of your hand real easy, where you can manage it. Got the scrubbing side here, and the softer side where you don't want to do scrubbing, you're just doing dishes or wiping something up. Yeah, it's a pretty good little product. You can get it for cleaning and for cleaning around your house, especially the kitchen. And it's holding up pretty good. So we've been using it, like I said, about 3 weeks here at the house. I mean, it's holding up pretty good. This is your Scotch Brite Extreme Scrub 4 times scrubbing bar. Like I said, I got this one Pinch Me a few weeks ago. I'll post a link if you're interested in receiving free product samples through the mail from Pinch Me. I'll post a link down in the description of the box for you.